Hello, everyone. Welcome to Peacock Way. This is the project we'll be doing. So, I'm using mixed media paper in this. Then, I'm going to first stamp. I'm going to use this stamp. And then, I'm going to use archival ink to stamp on the paper. So, this is like a small project and it's a fun project to do. Um, So I'm going to use this stamp. I don't remember where I got this stamp. So if I find it, I'm definitely going to put it in the description box below. So now I'm going to stamp the other side, and then I'm going to add that in this page. Now I'm going to use this stamp, which is from the same package but different stamp. These are nice and grungy and very useful for lots of projects. So I'm going to use this on the one side. I'm not going to cover all of it, but just about this. Then I'm going to now dry it. So I'm going to use this distress oxide stain and then dilution spray. One is gathered twigs and then the other one is vanilla custard. So I'm going to first spray the distress, no, the dilutions ink, and then I'm going to spray water on that. Then I'm going to spray this distress stain and spray water on my mat, and then I'm going to dab it. Then I'm going to add little by little. So now I'm going to dry this using my heater. Now I'm going to use this stamp from Creative Collections. These are like a small dot stamp. They look very good for this kind of project. Now I'm going to add this washi tape, which is also from Tim Holtz. If you don't have this tape, you can um, stamp the um, writing kind of stamp. Then I'm going to use this stencil and then add this molding paste that gives like a extra texture in the background. I'm going to add this in different areas. Then I'm going to add this extra element. So if you don't have this, you can add stamp. Then I'm adding some more elements in the background. that gives some interest in the background. Then I'm going to add the focal point. I'm going to hold it for some time because these are little thicker kind of a paper, so need extra glue for that. Then I'm going to use this distress crayons, and then I'm going to um, darken it little bit in different areas. I'm adding a little bit in different areas. I didn't want to cover everything. Now I'm going to add the other color from the distress oxide stain. So I'm going to splatter it little bit in the background, then add in the background a little bit. Then I'm going to add it on the edges to get that finished look. This is optional. So these two are the ones I'm using it. Then I'm going to add this coat and then finish the project. So I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. Um, I'm going to finally splatter some acrylic ink and then finish it. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.